Morning, everyone. My name is Harry. Welcome to my channel. I've lived in Australia for 25 years. In the past 10 years, I've exporting and importing a lot of goods between China and Australia, such as like hardwood, plastic, coffee cups, packaging stuff, uh, signages, and commercial joinery fit outs. Now I've been setting up a global supply chain, not only from China, but also like including Vietnam and Thailand, as these two countries are providing some like very competitive stuff recently. So we're not only providing stuff from China. A lot of people they think these days international trading will be very easy to deal with like a factory directly and get a better price, cut the middleman. Is that really true? It's a big question mark. Today, let's discuss the advantage and disadvantage of using a supply chain company vs factory directly. Okay, let's go. Why don't commercial fit out clients go direct to the factories? Is a question mark. Yeah, I think because clients are not buying a factory price, they are buying a control, like on time, like fully delivered a commercial, like a project. It's a like when you buying something, you need like in the process, you have a lot of like involved in the early stage, like a design, like a backwards and forwards communications. Like the factory, they don't really have like a good communication skills. Maybe they don't really understand what you need, what exactly you need in your area. A reasonable question, like why not go direct to the factory for a standard like products? You're using a factory maybe cheaper. Yeah, I totally agree. Like, but like for a commercial fit outs, it's not about like buying like a coffee cups or buying a lightings or buying a chair or table. It's about delivering the whole project according to the architect. Um, it's like a lot of things involved, like your requirements, what exactly the architect they want to achieve, and the material, the colors they want the like they use, yeah, in the drawings, and all the like standards, like if you're coming from Australian standard, do they really meet the requirements? If you coming from Europe, do they know, is the factory know what your requirements are? And the timeline. Yeah, and do you have the final quality check from your side? Once the factory they deliver, then after you receive the products, then you check, everything is too late. You don't have the time to, oh, this is wrong, you have to remake again. You know, the shop is opening in 2 weeks time or a week of time, you know, or sometimes already being delayed. So you don't have time. Everything has to be like a major defects. This is gonna be cost you much more than using a supply chain. They have quality, they have like a quality control, they have like a design early stage involved, everything. Yeah. Yeah, single product purchase. It's easy. Once you have like a prototype, you did like a sample. The rest of the things should be easy. But complete project delivery like is completely it's very different to you buying a single product. Yeah, working directly with factory can make sense. Yeah, I agree. Potentially maybe lower price. communication chains, good for, backhoe stand products like ties, lightings, tables, chairs, as I mentioned before, right? But the conclusion is not every client, to choose a supply chain. If you have the time, if you have the system to direct purchase from a factory, that's fine. But when the requirements are simple, yeah, standard, clearly scoped. But again, when you're delivering a project, when you have a lot of like details involved, I don't think gonna be make sense. See, as you can see here, the commercial projects, they have like a flooring, walls, ceiling, lighting, custom millwork, hardwares, furniture deco, signage, and shipping, and customs, and site installation. A lot of my previous customers, like, they having like difficulties with the size, the site measurements. When you doing a fit out, yeah, like uh, sometimes you have like variations. Like, we we have the ability to confirm size for you on site. So then we can make sure the final product can fit into the whatever your site perfectly. The hidden cost of dealing with multiple factories directly, yeah. So drawing specs mismatch, like when you're ordering some, like the factory, they maybe they have only like they very good at the cabinets. Then when you need order like metal parts, you need to come to go to another factory. If you need like furnitures, maybe different ones, are very very difficult. Like, and especially like I have like my friend like always telling me that these people are, sometimes are very hard to communicate. It takes them very long to reply everything. Is the people you direct, you know dealing with you are very good at communications. I really understand what the drawings are. Sometimes things can get very, very difficult to communicate. And a sample quality, when you made a sample, when you have like a timeline for the project, then you made a sample, like take you about like 2 weeks. Then maybe you're shipping it, another like 20 days. When you final receive the sample, is this exactly what you need? It's if like you have someone like locally, you can check the sample straight away. You don't have to like wait. They ship it to you. So you save like the a lot of time to dealing with the prototype. Cross-border complicated, the custom certificate and after sales, like it is. And also like the factory, do they give you some like a warranty? So if something wrong, like is anyone gonna take the risk for you? It's a big question mark. But in a supply chain company, they take full risk for everything for you. We are not like simply reselling products here as a supply chain company. We from sourcing products to managing delivery, the factory, like when you search on the internet, sometimes like they have, okay, you find a good, maybe you think it's a good factory, then you go ask for the price and for the product. Is exact, is like do they doing the right product for you, or you have the best price? we will we know like what's your product is. We know which factory good at what kind of product. We will match the perfect factory for you, not only on the best price, but also what they are good at. I believe this in the supply chain, this is going to be the biggest job for us. During review, do they really understand what's a drawing? Like what's the requirements for the drawing? We have as we involved a lot of projects in overseas, we have much better understanding on the drawings, what's architect they want, and also the requirements from different countries. We are very clear about that. But the factory, do they know about it? A big question mark. And sample approval, as I mentioned before, like you don't have to wait the sample to ship it to you. Then you realize, oh, this sample is wrong. It's not what we need. Then you ask them to redo it again. So all the time waste during the shipments. What we do is we have local quality check team. We will send our people to go to physically to check the sample quality. Is this what we want? If this is not, we're gonna change it straight away. So that's a time you're gonna save a lot. We have quality inspections and cost consolidation and shipping. Sometimes the packaging is, the factory, maybe they don't think about the shipping, how they gonna is gonna be damaged or no. Like for us, the shipment is sometimes can be very risky. You have to protect your products, everything, in a very good way. You don't want to like after the factory, spend like a month to make and a month to ship. Then finally, when you receive something broken, the product is damaged. This is not what you want. Then we align both, customs from different countries. Then we organize, we make sure the clearance from the customs are smooth. We control the time and we organize the site deliver. So when you receive whatever the products you ordered, it's we can make sure it's like no, this is what you exactly you need for your project and no damage. So why do clients choose us? Like why some big clients, they have the ability to source, they have ability to direct deal with the factory, but they finally they choose to us. Clients, coordinating multiple suppliers alone, it's very hard, and you want to make sure everyone on the same page. Sometimes one of the supply is wrong. You don't have a backup. Like you're gonna start the process again. Are you gonna source? You're gonna it's very hard. Sometimes a bit lower the quotes, but and if you go on the website, you search for one product, the price can be vary from like $10 maybe to $100. So how are you gonna really know which one have the best price and the best quality? You have to like make a lot of testings, like a lot of risk. Stay with the client. Yeah, but as I said again, like I totally agree. When you have like a simple product you want to order, then direct it with the factory is not very hard. So you can direct it with the factory if you want it. Why you choose a project delivery team? We have like unified supply chain and a delivery plan. On our side, we have like not just one, and we have like maybe a few, like in the same area, we have a few tested, used suppliers already. And we know what they are good at and what they are not good at. We will choose the best supplier to deliver the best part of the products. Then we forming everything together. And we have the power to negotiate as well. People maybe think it's cheaper, but at the end of the day, maybe not really cheap. And you only have to, contact us for everything. Anything, any communications, you only have to contact one people, you don't have to like go all around the other people's. Better control of the total cost. Once we, sometimes, factory, oh, this is the, after they give you a code, oh, this is a bit different, that's a bit different. We have to like increase the price. Maybe after they're making the products, the price is much higher when whatever they give to the quote to you. For us, it's different. Like we have the control of the total cost. We have like once we give you the price, that's it. That's a firm. We don't change it. So the supply chain is like a project delivery team. We put everything in together for you. And people might ask, oh, you're gonna charge us like a lot of money. If you have a project, we can, our fees can be very open. You pay the factory directly, and we charge whatever the service fee we need to, need to charge. It's around 10 to 15%. So our fees are very transparent. We manage the project for you, then you can pay the factory directly, and we take all your risk, all the issues, and we charge the fees. And I think it's a fair part. So when should clients to choose us? So when you have like a complicated project, multiple categories like factory and specs, and you have like a fixed timeline, open date cannot be delayed, we take the risk for you. Cross-border work like shipping, customs, certificate, and after sales cares. If you have any issues, we can send our people to your site to fix it for you. And high execution standard drawings, samples. If you need like something high standard and high standard projects, and I think we can deliver the best outcome for you. Okay, conclusion. Factories are good at manufacturing products, but we are good at making multiple products, supplier, delivery steps come together as one commercial space. Choose us is not only always about the lowest unit price. It's about a more certain delivery outcome. It's more about you want to complete the project in high standard and fully controlled and risk-free. That's what we can deliver for you. So thank you very much. My name is Harry, and thank you much for your time to watch my video. And if you have any inquiries, please click below the link and send us an inquiry. Let's start talking, and I will show you. You are not wasting your time and money. Actually, we can make it better for you. Thank you.